In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folders under other folders in Gmail, how to create sub-labels in Gmail, 5 minutes. Gmail doesn't technically use folders the way some other email services do, instead it uses labels. The great news is that labels can be nested, which works just like putting one folder inside another. That's exactly what we're doing today, creating a new label and nesting it under a parent label so your inbox stays clean and organized. Start by going to gmail.com and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left sidebar where your labels live. You'll see items like inbox, starred, and more. We're heading to the labels area to manage them. If you don't see what you need right away, scroll the sidebar and expand the list. You'll find options to manage or create labels right there. Click labels, then choose create new label. A small window will pop up asking for a name. Type a clear, specific name that matches how you want to organize your messages, something like projects, invoices, or travel 2026. Keeping names consistent makes it easier to find things later. Next, check the box that says Nest Label Under. This is the key to placing your new label under an existing parent label. When you check it, a drop-down appears. Click it and select the parent label you want to use. For example, if you have a parent called Work, you might nest Reports or Clients underneath it. If you don't see the right parent, make sure that label already exists first. When you're happy with the name and the parent selection, click Create. That's it, the new label is now nested. In your left sidebar, expand the parent label to see your new sub-label underneath. You can collapse and expand these to keep your list tidy. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. If your label list is long, use the search bar at the top of Gmail to find messages and confirm your labels are applied correctly. You can also give labels colors by right-clicking a label in the sidebar and choosing label color. This helps you spot important categories quickly. If you ever want to rename or move a label to a different parent, open the label settings from the sidebar and adjust it without losing any emails. And while you can apply labels on mobile, creating and nesting labels is easiest from a desktop browser. With that, you've successfully nested a label in Gmail, giving you a clean, intuitive hierarchy that makes finding emails faster and managing your inbox much easier.